More often, suspects display meekness in court in a bid to plead for mercy from their fate determinants, the magistrates or judges. Michael Kahoro arrived at the Nakuru law courts in a similar manner, having been out on bail, his charges being that he had assaulted Edith Odhiambo, and for that he was convicted and sentenced to 3 years in prison. That set off his wrath, and as the resident magistrate went on to advise him that he could appeal the ruling in 14 days, his was the case instantly, challenging the ruling through his own way, apparently practically confirming the assault charges.
3 years imprisonment has been passed, akaruka kwa bench fulani hapo, akaenda akaanza kuchapa complainant. Complainant akakimbia side yenye madam wako.
His first victim being the complainant, who he stabbed several times in the neck with a screwdriver. He then headed to the resident magistrate, who was still reading the judgment, delivering a dose of 6 stabs in her right arm. A female police officer assigned to the courtroom also fell victim, sustaining injuries in a finger.
The magistrate, together with the complainant, were rushed to hospital.
Nakuru OCPD Joshua Mukata says the suspect had hid the screwdriver in his jacket into the courtroom. It is reported that accused persons out on bail are never scanned before accessing the courtroom, an omission that could have assisted his plot. The suspect is now being held in police custody and is likely to face attempted murder charges. The Magistrates Association condemned the act.
This is an affront to the authority of the court, because if a judicial officer can be attacked while in court, then who knows what could happen when a judicial officer meets a person whom you have convicted outside the court compound.
The Nakuru incident points to the sensitivity of locals that would otherwise be assumed to be safe havens for court users, but now the court officers as well as the security officers have to revise the strategy in ensuring safety for everyone. Sami Kituko for The Big Question.